This 5-minute solution will show you how to change real name on Xbox. To change your real name or full name, open a browser on computer or Android or iOS device and open xbox.com. Once you are in this website, click on sign in to sign into your Xbox account. Once done, click on your profile photo. Click on My Microsoft account and click on Your Info. And here you will get your full name. To change your name, click on Edit Name. And now here you can easily change your real name. And after changing name, make sure to put the captcha here and click on Save, and your name will be changed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.